clutch for the most part. You know, depending on the situation I'm in. Of course, as a racer, you know, you never know how much you can abuse the clutch until you're actually, you know, doing it. But for the most part, I feel like I can make the clutch last for a week.
I mean, I've ran Rekluse for a few years now, and I've never had an issue. I'm not too hard on the clutch anyways. I mean, you're going to have to ask my mechanic for more details, but, I mean, I've never had a clutch problem. So I guarantee you I can run a clutch for a couple weeks. And with how much we ride, it's real impressive because, I mean, these things hold up really well.
Particularly, I would say slipping the clutch before the whoops. If you're in third, fourth gear, that's usually like the most part that you use the clutch.
Yeah, no, like I said, I'm not hard on clutch at all. I mean, like with the drive and traction that Rekluse gives us, I mean, I'm not slipping it much, even for the whoops. Like, I don't even touch the clutch.
No, I'm not. I mean, I can't get down to the technical part of that. I mean, for me, I guess I usually just go off of like the grab, how aggressive the grab is, or if you're using a clutch quite a bit, like mud races or something like that, you know, start to slip or anything like that. But you know, the good thing about, you know, our bikes is the clutch kind of automatically starts adjusting itself, so it's pretty consistent all the way through.
The biggest advantage I feel with Rekluse is the traction, kind of traction and drive, especially like in the whoops and coming out of the corners.
Yeah, I mean, it's definitely a big part. You know, I remember last year we were at San Francisco. Everybody was probably smoking clutches, you know, especially on a Jap bike. But then, you know, for us, you know, our clutch adjusts itself. You know, at the same time, it just really depends on how much you abuse it. You know, I just think for myself, I try to be the best I can on my clutch, but sometimes you need it to grab a little bit or slip the clutch for, you know, fourth gear, depending on where you are, especially on a supercross track or motocross track. So yeah, our bikes are able to handle it pretty good.